Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle.
My name is Lacostawhitehead and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, you guys, look what came in the mail. So if you want to see me unbox my new iPhone, set it up, and just, let you guys in, what I may or may not have in my phone, then just keep watching. Okay. All right, you guys. So I am back, and I am back. Let's unbox this phone. Yes. So just in case you guys are wondering or curious, I am upgrading my phone from an iPhone XS Max, which we have here. Yeah, the case is all kind of just, raggedy. It is time. Let's get into this unboxing. All right, you guys. I'm so excited. All right, so we got a little flap on the back. So I got the gold, you guys. I got the gold. It's a little flap here. Gonna take it on out of here. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I'm so excited, you guys. It has been 2 years since I had a new phone. Check it out. I am so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. To thank my mom and my sister, my boyfriend, my kids for this moment, you guys. Like I'm winning an award or something. Like I'm winning an award. I'm winning an award. Well, I'm paying for an award, but you know what I mean. I am so excited. Yes. All right, you guys. So I got all the cords here. So this phone came with a USB-C cord, which is this cord here, if you can see it. And then, which has to plug into a plug like this. I actually got this plug from Apple, but it came with my iPad. The strange thing is that USB-C cord has the regular, lightning, I guess the charging thing that goes into the other iPhones is the same as this iPhone. All right, and so just to give, some people a different look, if you are new to iPhone, which I'm sure majority of you aren't, this is what it looks like. This is a USB cord. So this goes into like a block like this, but again, it still has the same charge, the same charging head as the other one, as the USB-C, as you can see. All right, you guys, enough about that, enough about that, enough about that. I'm sure you guys have seen plenty of unboxings. It comes with like the little pin thing. It comes with like a little pin thing for the SIM, to take the SIM card out if you need to. It comes with a Apple sticker. So let's get into cutting on this new phone. And she is powering up, you guys. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, so we're going to swipe up. Of course, we're going to pick English, you guys. United States. We are going to bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. If other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options for setting up, make sure it's running iOS 11 or later and has Bluetooth turned on. So, yeah. It's giving me two options to transfer data. You can transfer from your iPhone, or you can download from iCloud. Transfer from iPhone looks like it takes about an hour, and download from iCloud, you can start using your iPhone in about 15 minutes. Your data will download later over Wi-Fi. So I think I am going to go the iCloud route and go that route so that I am able to use my phone in 15 minutes. So yeah. And of course, you guys know you agree to terms and conditions and all that stuff. To update before, restore from November. See, I did a restore this morning to my phone, so I'm going to restore it from today's backup. Continue. I'm gonna set up later. Set up later. I always share my app analytics, and then we are restoring. So yeah, I will come back as soon as I am done with this portion. All right, you guys, so my phone is done being set up. From what I know is it'll just continue to update my stuff as the day goes. So as you can see, like some of my icons are kind of grayed out, and that just means that it is updating the apps. Wait a minute. Yeah, it just means that it is updating the app. God. So yeah, it just means that it is updating the apps. The ones that are gray, they haven't been downloaded yet from iCloud. So yeah, I don't have a, eye-pleasing aesthetic going on right now, but I do plan on updating my phone. This is one thing I love about Apple, because everything just goes back, like my email, my contacts, my messages, all that stuff is automatically updated on my phone. So I love that. I love that about Apple. So you guys, here is the comparison between my they're both huge. Between my 12 Pro Max and my XS Max. So the iPhone 12 Pro is a little bit bigger, just a tad, just a tinge bit bigger than my iPhone XS Max. Try saying that fast 3 times, okay? But yeah, I love it. So now I'm just waiting on my case, and I'm happy, guys. I am so happy. So yeah, so let me get a thumbnail. All right, you guys, so if you have not done so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? Okay! Give me a big thumbs up, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Share this video out, you guys. Sharing is caring. Leave me a comment below, you guys. Leave me a comment below. What iPhone do you have if you do have an iPhone? If you don't have an iPhone, what kind of phone do you have? Until next time, I'll holler at you guys later. Peace out.